Hi, my name is Deanna Borg. I chose astronomy for my science because I've always been interested in astronomy, and I thought this was an excellent way to learn a little bit more about something I was already interested in and get the credit that I needed for this term. I am about a year from graduation. I'm a human relations major. I'm a mom of three, Lily, Maddie, and Clarissa. Lily and Maddie are in grade school, and Clarissa is 4. She will start kindergarten in the fall, and I will have all three in school and me in school. So that'll be interesting. Um, I do believe there's a possibility of aliens. We have got billions of stars and a solar system that we can see 14 billion years away. We know that it's been there for that long. So the chances to me that there could be other life out there seems very probable. We just maybe don't have the capabilities to find it right now, or maybe it hasn't found us. So that's my thoughts about that subject. I look forward to getting to know everyone, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks.